So in today's haircut, we are going to do the graduated bob. As you can see, I've taken a diagonal section, 45-degree angle from the occipital bone down to the neck. Now, the hair is longer at the occipital. You can see right there, it is longer, and as I take my fingers closer to the bottom of the neck, it gets shorter and shorter and tighter and tighter. That's what creates the graduation for the graduated bob. So I take pie-like sections, just diagonal sections, working my way up the right side of the head. Of course, I'll do this exact same thing when I get to the left side. And basically, I'm lifting ever so slightly on the top part of the graduation by the occipital bone to create the graduation. And as I get closer to the neck, I'm hardly lifting. I'm just basically putting my fingers as tight to the neck as I can put it to create as short of a shape as possible right there at the neck. So you can see the graduation starting to build up ever so nicely. Again, right there by the neck, nice and tight. As we get to the occipital bone, nice and full. And here again, I'm taking another section, slightly lifting, and slightly lifting, but a little less on this next section. And then you'll see this very last section, hardly lifting. My fingers are very close to the neck because at that point, right behind the ear, it's going to flow into the front. That's going to be the bob part of the graduated bob. The back is the graduation. The sides are the bob part. So here, watch this. We're going to go slightly lifting, and then this next section, slightly lifting less. Hardly lifting at all right by the ear, you can see. And then this next section, no lifting whatsoever because it's pretty much just going to be a bob right here. So I'm going to continue carrying on these sections on the right side. There we go. There's the bob part for the front. And then I will do the exact same thing on the left side. Alright, so now that we've completed the graduation on the right side, it is now time to do the graduation on the left side. As you can see, I've got a diagonal 45-degree angle, and I'm slightly lifting at the occipital bone right there. And then again, just like I did on the right side, going to be lifting less and less as I get closer to the neck. So, not a whole lot to explain here since I've already explained it on the other side. We'll just go ahead and watch the left side get completed. Then we're going to blow dry it and finish it off. So now it's time to create the desired outline that we're looking for. So as you can see, I got my trimmers and I'm basically cutting an angled outline. So from the ear, kind of the back of the earlobe down to the center of the neck in a diagonal line. And then I'm graduating that hairline, basically kind of blending it out, graduating it, doing some clipper over comb right there. You can basically cut in the desired outline that you're looking for. This is the desired outline I like to go for. I feel it's the most flattering outline. I've experimented with many different types of outlines. I've seen many different types of outlines. And basically we all have our favorites, right? So whatever one person's favorite sneakers are might not be my favorite sneaker, and vice versa. So you're gonna have to find what's your favorite outline, desired outline. And as you can see, we've come to the end of this graduated bob haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, you know, I want to thank you so very much again for watching.